Good morning. It is Monday, May 18th, 2020. Please remember our daily tasks to watch or read the daily message. Make sure you are completing all of your work, turning your assignments in on Teams through text or email, and make sure you're checking in with me twice a week. It's a new week, so those check-ins all start over. Today we're just going to take some time to finish up lessons 10.1, 10.2, 11.1, 11.3. If you didn't have a chance to get those done last week, then please get them done today. If you did finish them, then there's no new assignment for you today, but there will be tomorrow. So make sure you check back in. Have a great day, and come see me if you have any questions. My office hours are from 9 to 11 and 1 to 2.